Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. Welcome to the Playwright with the Python series. Okay, so in this series, we'll learn about automation scripting using Playwright with Python. Okay, so prerequisites are like you have to install the Python and PyCharm. Okay, so both should be available, Python and PyCharm. Then once you open the PyCharm, go to the terminal. Okay, then you have to use the commands. Uh, these three commands we have to use: pip install, upgrade pip, because we have to use the pip latest pip. Okay. Then pip install playwright, then playwright installs. Okay. So these three commands you can use here. Okay. Pip install playwright. So, okay. So first here, pip install upgrade pip so that it will upgrade the pip. Okay. Then we have to use pip install playwright. Okay, pip install playwright. I already installed in my system, that's why I'm not running these commands. So initially when you open the install Python and open the PyCharm, then use these commands. Okay, if it is giving error, then you have to use python-m in the beginning. Okay, python-m, then pip install, then it won't give any errors. It will be installed successfully. Okay, so the third command will be playwright install. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. It's not like a pip install, but it is playwright install. Okay, okay, this is the third command. So, okay, these three commands you use and install the playwright. Okay, then follow my classes one by one. Then you can learn automation testing using Playwright and Python easily. Okay. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing automation videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.